There are few places on Earth where you can ski, surf, be taken back in time over 5,000 years, see a pod of orcas frolic in the middle, and walk through the world's greatest urban park all in the same day. Vancouver is one of them. Vancouver, British Columbia is undeniably West Coast, nestled between huge valleys, lush temperate rainforests, and an uncompromising mountain range. While Vancouver is one of Canada's younger cities, it is also the most ethnically diverse and crowded, with over 500,000 people packed into its tiny downtown core. Vancouver is regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in the world, and it is a great place to begin or finish a cruise. Vancouver is a great home base for excursions around British Columbia due to its closeness to numerous world-renowned sites. Visitors come from all over to experience the city's beautiful location, cosmopolitan atmosphere, range of attractions, and excellent international cuisine, which is nestled among the West Coast mountains and stunning rocky coastline. Vancouver, which was chosen as the host city for the 2010 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games, is a unique location that should not be missed. With 3 world-class mountains, all within a 15 minutes drive of downtown, hundreds of parks and campgrounds, dozens of hiking paths, one of the world's longest seawalls, and many rivers and lakes to explore, Vancouver is an outdoor enthusiast playground. There is an infinite list of things to do in Vancouver, with activities for every age group and every interest. But there aren't so many hours in a day, so here are some of the best things to do in Vancouver. The city is well known for its natural beauty as well as its cultural variety. The Coast Salish people have lived in the region, now known as Vancouver, for thousands of years, and their history and cultural traditions, deep love for environment, and spirituality are all tightly woven into the city's cultural fabric. Downtown's Stanley Park, with its old growth cedar forests, surrounded by ocean vistas and sandy beaches, and the Granville Island Public Market are 2 of the best places to explore. The West End, Gastown, Yaletown, and Chinatown are other popular neighborhoods. Vancouver is the world's most ethnically diverse city, which means that if you can imagine it, it's definitely here. Its culinary influences are unlimited, from the freshest sushi to the most rustic farm-to-table cuisine. You could easily eat your way around the world dining here, so why not let someone else do it for you and join a gourmet tour? Combine the sophisticated culinary scene with an exploding craft beer and wine sector, and you have the makings of a wonderful, delicious day. If you want to get up and personal with nature, ocean kayaking is one of the most popular things to do in Vancouver, and Deep Cove is one of the greatest and safest places to do it in Canada. A peaceful paddle up Indian Arm, a beautiful fjord where woodland animals come down to the water's edge to greet you with curiosity. Vancouver has 2 suspension bridges, both equally beautiful, but one is constantly busy with visitors and expensive, while the other is more popular with residents and free. Lynn Canyon Park, located in the heart of Lynn Valley, has been delighting hikers for over 100 years. With paths, popular swimming spots, and of course, beautiful waterfalls, a hair-raising suspension bridge 50 meters up in the canopy makes this a must-do no matter how short your visit is. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.